I'm Matt Harvey, the Playground Design Manager here at Playdale Playgrounds. I did a Level 5 Business and Leadership Management Apprenticeship. This helped me gain lots of confidence in my ability. I learned a lot about finances, I learned how to manage people. This helped me get promoted to the Design Manager role.
Not only are apprenticeships a very important opportunity for the individuals undertaking them, it's also an excellent way for us to introduce new people into the business. We have several examples of successful Level 2 and Level 3 apprenticeships, and those individuals have remained in the business, and even some who have gone on and completed HNCs.